Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly log an emotion or mood directly from the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen and see how we can set this one up first before we can use it. So from the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings screen, we then scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Now tap on the left image to customize your wallpaper. Then at the bottom here on the third row is your large widget panel. So tap on that. Then we scroll down and tap on Health. Next we swipe across and then tap on the State of Mind widget. Tap on that widget, it will add it to your widget panel. If your widget panel is already full with other widgets, you may need to remove other widgets before you can add in a new widget. Okay, once you have added in the State of Mind widget, tap on the Close button. Then tap on the Close button again to close your widgets list panel. And from here, tap on Done to save the changes. After that, swipe up to return back to your home screen. Now, when you're on your lock screen and you want to quickly log your emotions or mood, just tap on that State of Mind widget, and then you need to verify yourself to log onto your screen. Once you are in here, you can choose to record your emotion of how you feel right now or your mood throughout the day. So select one of the options and then tap on Next. Next, it says choose how you are feeling right now. On the slider bar, when it is in the middle, it is neutral. You add unpleasant or very pleasant at all. So you can just drag the slider bar to the right to record your feeling to very pleasant, or drag it all the way to the left to be very unpleasant. So let's say we select very pleasant and then tap on Next. And here you can choose how it's currently how it is best describe your feelings. So amazed, passionate, brave, relieved, grateful, amused. So go through here and then tap on all the different kind of feelings that you may have, and then tap on Done, and then Next, tap on Next. Now tap on your very pleasant feelings. So what's having the biggest impact on you? So from here you can just select all the different things that is suggested right here, or you can add in your additional custom context, and then tap on Done, and then tap on Done again to finished. And that's it. So now you have logged your current feelings and emotions to the State of Mind database. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.